Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be checking out one of my tree allies, so come join me as I teach you a little bit about white pine. Let me introduce you to eastern white pine, Pinus strobus. This beautiful tree is able to be identified by the 5 needles per set. They're thin needles with a white line along the back. I was first introduced to this tree by an indigenous friend of mine, who told me about the legend of the peacemaker, who chose the white pine to represent unity of the 5 tribes brought together for the Iroquois Confederacy. White pine is easy to remember. White has 5 letters, which line up with the 5 needles. And not only is it easier to identify, it's also easy to remember its meaning because peace, P-E-A-C-E, has 5 letters, and unity, U-N-I-T-Y, also has 5 letters. Historically, white pine has been used for windows, door frames, ship masts, framing, and toys because of its waterproof and antimicrobial nature. In cases of survival, the inner bark can be used as flour, the bark can be made into containers, wood, bark, needles, and resin are great fire starters. The resin is antiseptic and antimicrobial, making it great for medicine. And the resin is also sticky and waterproof, making it excellent glue and sealant. Not only is this a great building material, it is also a great medicinal plant. It is high in vitamin C, making it great for colds and flus. It draws out stagnant mucus, making it easier to breathe, not only through your sinuses, but also through your chest. Its antimicrobial and antiseptic nature allows for it to be a great wound healer, reduces redness and skin irritation, soothing bug bites to sunburns. If you turn this into a salve, it also works as a wonderful decongesting chest rub. When it comes to magic, not only does it bring in peace and unity, it also brings in protection. White pine is a beautiful native tree that stays green all year round because of its evergreen nature. It's gentle, it's wise, and it's one of those allies that are always willing to offer a piece of itself if you're willing to take care of it. As I say, if you take care of nature, nature will take care of you. At this time of year, all you have to do is walk around. Look at the branches around the tree and see if a squirrel may have knocked one loose, or at the foot of the tree to see if one is lying on the ground. This is a great land spirit that offers you love and wisdom if you offer it kindness and respect. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more of this type of witchy content, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, my beautiful witchies, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day that you deserve. Toodles for now.